Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can look pregnant on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to use this outfit right here, and I'm just going to color it like this color. You can use any color that you want. I'm also just going to take this off. And I'm just going to wear a skirt here. I don't know. Again, you can use any color you want. Get a pumpkin. This already looks like she's holding a baby. I mean, she's pregnant. And then also make it matte and color it the same color as your outfit. Then to make it look a little bit more realistic, you're going to find the teddy bear, which is in the currency items. And then I'm just going to color it the same color as everything else. Then you are going to use the post pack. I think it's the hold up post pack. Maybe the bear isn't super necessary anymore. You can just do that and you look pregnant already. Or I think I might have toggled the bear incorrectly. I think I did that correctly already, but you can do it without or with the bear. Yeah, you can do it with or without the bear, honestly. Maybe it's the third toggle actually that makes it look more realistic. Yeah. So use the third toggle, and yeah, that is it. That's how you can make yourself look pregnant on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.